Yama ahwefo enyina chima munyina akwaba emfa emra bedwam esu ebra wie de se di bedwam kase ebetoa moso se bo ba ne edi mu akotre bi enesem omanfo ekobu ondan eguye ewo Sakumono RAMSAR site no ahwase ebro empanifo echiri pa sanso ena oman atemuafo pani ada betuja se kwaribo oman no ede bo Dr. Kwabradefo ena afro enso no wona entoa aseni no so ebiem weni semu no be na no pai esinkunya ede besom wo se Adom Badwam kase medi de akwasi ensia afen sem ni kiremu enie bese na kakra bi entem nie ena nkrapopene mantem so afo ne mpanefo hwe bambon sem so e o mantem etuaramo ede ko Sakumono RAMSAR site be ya mpanefo atwa to se mo bia ensi dan wo sase so to a e ho ne nso no ebetayem okobu egu ye no ene nanu ene nansa amafo sa afa akire sa kosi edemi nam so bi amanu ada wasa akonu biem akodwida nagu
They tell my sister red they say. In the part of one and this demolition affects here. Abai Ama notice for this particular demolition. And we want to ask Abai say a man foresee illegal buildings. Next person don't they require at least a day notice? Just wake up. Now, never say yesterday. Abai say Abai to me and Fabondi and Chabonica. Abai there, Odim Rasu, and to say, Wumba and Dim Rasua. What they would him Rasu? Yeah, catch them, catch up by say, the wireless enough on Jay. They are yet too long. Cannot be correct. They are also on share. And by any top of the man, and then Papa, and you want to charge, you don't want to Islam. Let to our United Bush, we want to account to our man.
Kojana Media Momitino, HSA. Bibi yapa Ghana high every say abana wa betisu no ye na ye vote man no ye na ye di ye kokomoti etu abama no ansa na onya power na oba ye sure yanu ye wo pa mi say uba mi constituency a uba no wa ye nim say mi NDC ni enti mi di bomb ku say mi NDC ni ba manu mi wo pa
bese emfinhia kakra besene atwam ekonie ena abra na adodan kwakufo de besi Ghana banwa kase se mampani empanifo to na mo eyese okwesi kakra bia adwumako na nima bi ekoso mu a ense fatale south banks bi wonu mu a ye je otumi krata efrom sese mo enye adwuma no ebiem ewi achi abamra nim ni sa tabro mo ekotipie mu ewos asebni bia se ebo mo kodu esaso na mkotikwa so amoman aboka mampani John Dramani mama ebae abanso afo apa ne so behwe ateni atentene so eso ababonte de betudwa SM saa kwadibu ane ye de abo Dr. Kwabradefo anipa bese enso efa unibank sensem no one entoa aseni no eso biem
Aban lawyer Penny Dominic Akorentinga Ayini etu anamawa emremo friend Noli Prosikwa nature say ensem bia ewo court efa kaneso afo risk asem so Dr. Kwabradefo ani nipa nso bia ka no ho efa wondibre ene edwuma wudi ye ema Unibank ekwagigu ye no sansem ni nyina no wonom agemu amanaka na asem yi Aban lawyer Penny abedi ekire ya osaye so afo abedi ekire health and training ho nsem so Dr. Justice RAMSAR ene wode betu dwa o kire say kwadu bia no wode abosa nipa nwotwi ewa asem a na eno ewo court fa Unibank hono wonam aboni nyina atuegu na okire se abala ya pani aye krado se obehwa atentren ni ejina ne naso na oman no sika botene ene na boso mu no nso obaho ban se ne be ya obi entoto nase
enipa na be ye abo mo kwadu ewo TDC District Magistrate Court ewo tema ene court ababontin ede ababetudwa SM kwadibu ade bo mo se eye ababa wa Josephine Tando Asante ni wo onim ho bi no court kire mu a adasede pie nu wache sampasa nipa nan enim owo ne ho bi
I'm shocked, but I'm not surprised. It appears that, the Attorney General's advice was for the suspects to be discharged on the basis of insufficient evidence. It's taken us 5 years for us to come here. All the investigations that the police have done. 5 years for us to get a verdict of insufficient evidence.
Owie ye was signed to just say eno nkyere se wonum eje mu amanaka kwan bia obefa so mamra ye adwuma na tentren ne a omope ama wonde hia wewu no ombepa ama no no ombefa so no magye ama no.
We are requesting for a copy of the records and the AG's advice, and then we will, based on that, we will know the next step. It just confirms what I've always suspected, that Ghana, you can really get away with anything that you want to get away with.
Enipa mienu ye bo kwadu ese abayu a abranti wonya mfehia edumienu wakopra no ewo new ankasa no enu asem no ekọ asem ne bia account bi amotemuafo otina pronti edi asem no ewo second court eda betu je senipa mienu ye mo bail.
Gender-based violence court here no was secondary. Yahe Anna na Amalia Kowa etina punuachi ama Isamoro ena Abdul Rashid one mo ebil nipa mienui obo one mo kwadu se mfiedu menu abayamu a one mo epro no ye na yakayaka de ewo niwa nkasa na bela wodi ema one mo no 50,000 Ghana cedis ya we no aginam difo mienu eka ho na wo chire mu adia se aginam difo no anya kora no ewo se ba akoya assembly member ya wono efini wankasa enya no nko a court no wasan so ahye se na wochi bia no wo mienu mo homodi ase wo mdo mo kwa chire Lubo police station na so ni nyina emu no lawyer Alamensa echire mu ase attorney general echiro ne nkrata se kwadu miensa wode yebo wo mo no nyansakraye ewo mu ya san sim ye wasan so atu ede ase July bosome ne da etoso aduonu we no mafimpe no na aduonu we no na emu.
Why the papa ya no and na manta konya ye wo framantemu tagbe tapere hodo ya otoso enan ababonte de betu dwasem said ye ne widua adoso e wo framantem no ene ye nyanti panfo mromo emwa.
It does appear that since the passage of the Narcotics Control Commission Act, which recommended the grant of license to people to grow a particular species of marijuana, this whole concept has been taken as a license to grow anything. That particular species is for medicinal purposes.
So honomwa was out in Simia Kaho.
I hear there's something I call red. I mean, I don't understand how you can take a drug, or if it is a medicine, you take it and you are sleeping while standing. That this is becoming really serious. So, Minister, please help us, help our communities, so we can stamp out these habits which cumulatively are destroying the region.
Yefeni enchire ahafo mantebe honum so enda pedipo da na mayinfo ano eye berima atwereko ampemi otoso miesa na naso de aba betudwa ehye forest commission panifo echi esobesro mwadam se dipa binam kotikwa so etwanua afiri ekwayem no ense fatento sorry waka no tusosa
berema atwereko ampem ya otoso miensa ena ye panimpa ya oda nananum atrankonwa no ahafo mantemu ena ode ato omadwumeku ehwe ekwai bretu ho nsam so forestry commission nim so omoden a se anamo a wonum tu se nipabonfo a oto ho so omayekwayem etwanua kwambone so no obetumi etu wase na ode wonjumadi abahwie no obekeka won ho ewo ho wo kiremu a
obi wo ho a na banfa tumi bia ma no forestry form fa tumi bia ma no no ono ade ne pe akowurawura mu no otwanua ekoton ekoji sikadi abra communities no a saa kwa ye ne da ho maye no yenya so emfa so bia nyumfo ya ba mo mane nye dakro epe ewo mu a no aba no afa akire no mahu sere na mo se mo ba mo fa mu no a mo anyinya bi no mu a o mu ye adwuma bi a nkrata bi ankuta wo mu no
enu akire na Elikem Kotoko ya ono ene pani kwanchefo abedi akire a oda forestry commissioner no enso ede tu dwa se
said na kan no yeso a ye wo forestry no ye ni apre enam sa so na omampanyin so ayi honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua our ye minister for lands and natural resources and also ye MP Edima Elembele our western region and also aka say the obeye bia ema ejuma ye di ahye nsa obeye ma omampanyin hu se ogini di ampa no obeye
na semu wona beto dwa ese fem bo e wo mamu apagya akoso kakra kan bi amadom kuma ye wo mamu ra hye fiem ababonte de metu jasem ye fa so bodi nyina emmo mampani John Dramani mama NNDC aban esa so me na akofa entoso de abeto fem wo so etene ama fem bo kra ekofom e wo dwama so no Ghana de ne de ko sra na eko
Dom kuma wa mrasha bedwom ne de to dwa se aban ya wotisu enya de wona Ghana fo edi ne yie kura aswa de tro na eda da Ghana fo a odwene ho a wonte ase ene se na no aban ekofa eto fango so e wo mamu no so afo ye hwes kasam so e begina mrasha bedwom e be kan se enya de a e banya wo haw bia wa Ghana fo so na so e de wo haw ene atete na aba beto manfo so sesei na ensam aso afo hwes kasam so odi tu dwa wabra na odi sa eto e babini.
To help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, the government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel, and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. The Speaker, I repeat, the impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis.
Enumu ena mrashebedwam donkuma no ba no den ya be de chire ewo bejuku a wonum ena hwanyina mahode ho nsam so ya ono kro ne mrashebedwani de momanfo wo afija kwa Brain North Collins Adoma comments ade to dwa say
entenyem na me draw judgment on whether he right or not. I think the Ghanaian people will draw their own judgments as to whether some of clients say one level in bar but not increase fuel at the pump. And I say increase. That will be at the judgment of the Ghanaian and the major Magana.
Samia Uku ya ono ene mrashebedwani de momanfo wonum ewo akuapem North about on pesua so enso de to dwa say
papa e wo mu ne say aban no bosha o shey no kwakwa say no mo be kan nye no na ya ebe mampani and finance minister catches with the introduction of the doomsday levy and demolition levy, whatever the D stands for, and death levy was not going to even affect fuel prices. But then you be like the filling station. We are feeling the pinch at the pump. And it's mampani and the finance minister and some review. It's say in common only a dear, and yes, in common, and as I say, you.
The Begina no Pace, my best some more as a bedroom cassia ha and a debesi. You may say bedroom the new year, Yada Waba, na Yaba, Yada Boca Tamunsem, online stories, the answer Bansuno. Now, what to me the online story so at me, Abre. Cause no bedroom, Yaba is here.